Underwater video is a powerful way to find fish and learn more about the places they live, and has rapidly become a critical tool for anglers fishing open water and through the ice. Aqua-View, the leader in engineering underwater cameras for anglers, has now made underwater viewing even more convenient by providing us with new solutions for camera cable management. Easy camera cable management is now available for the larger Aqua-View HD camera systems using the new Turntable Camera Spooler. The Turntable Camera Spooler accessory attaches quickly to the base of Aqua-View HD camera systems using the provided hardware. Place the camera on any flat surface in your boat, like the deck or a wide gunnel. Lower the Aqua-View optics into the water, and the camera will smoothly rotate around its base as cable is deployed. There's absolutely no need to peel off cable in advance. Just spin the display and its base until the optics reach the right depth. When it's time to retrieve the optics, simply rotate the display and its base in the opposite direction, and the cable will wrap conveniently into place. Aqua-View's patented micro-revolution system, as well as the new Turntable Camera Spooler accessory, are high value-added features that make underwater viewing even more convenient, and reflect Aqua-View's continuing commitment to simple, user-friendly underwater discovery.